What are you doing? Hi. Are you being cray-cray? Yes. I have visions of you either falling forward and bonking your head or falling backward and bonking your head. What are you doing that's making you giggle so much? Mommy's coming over. Here I am. What are you doing? Is it because the light's in there? See the blinking lights and you're like, ooh, that's fun. Or do you see yourself? Do you see Mama in the reflection? Love you. Okay, Bubby. Bubby, can you say bye-bye? Can you wave bye-bye? You gotta wave bye-bye. Do this. Can you do this? No, not yet. Too soon? Okay. Bye-bye.